Hi, ngasi blog se kamai tau kita. Ai mangi blog tu hai gana Wi-Fi layer city je kite ki na fawe ba China ki whole China ge na hadi kite ki am China ki matam lagi kite se am kero tor hai ta. Ado chai ku ni kite festival pang thoi ba si jaga sta. Ado ngasi da ge hore kite festival je. Ado world ki sum kite pai ba hai mi mam hai ta. Atop top country da ki India da isu awe. Ado moi myam se la ga sida kite pai du ne ba competition tong na du ne ba ado du ma pham na se lai se kite festival ta re se coastal area ne ba haide sea beach me ai ta sea beach me da moina sem ai ta mamang da de khoi ki manak ta tarom me ba kite festival smaina ada hojikti sea beach me da do sidai kitang chatlaga beach lai de ne ba ado sidana kite festival tawre na somna kan da ju program yam tawre lagi sijina moi ki kite festival ki signature kite hai ta ko chaw ba kite se thaga tai tai je so na di loi le sta country ki kite me me ngani ba mamang gi da ju India gi yaw bane do tak si yom no ma lin de kite
怎么这样了？
这是他重要的事儿。
sida kite ama le ba Telangana military gi ma le moi je pro warship ne ba chaw ba adu Telangana pa han me wa ni da
慌了，没风呢，风力太小。啥来着？
啥呢？
se kite pai với yeng nó ba cái nó này ba thắc xem ba hai ta xây tàu vòng gì hết mà thắc xí đó lối ure view rồi so na cái gì nữa sea hai ta samudra hai ta so na cái gì samudra này ba oil cái transport tàu cái nó này duga soma kandana kite me empire China ki mobile 5G mobile internet service le mobile over tak tala ga 5G internet service piwa sige fake brain yung isda India ki fake ya jubra ne fake ya isda wala ke ko Japan le juga next India ile Moi mari je kite pai just fighter jet pai cũng chẳng maganda mo mga taruk Masih ada mga truk apa ya mah Hair service ready there ini in case may tiga chalak kada kaya tong no fair service may tayo sunod 저 Chinese dragon kite layer sida 상제 Sige the Chinese dragon kite never seen that
不讲不对，那两个好好笑嘞，没事，发了笑。
may salaya sila Ako'y India ki theng na rin kasi India ki may home bro like which part of India
I'm from Kerala. Same here.
and
I'm also Kerala.
oh Kerala
Yeah, basically my native place is Kerala, but I still staying in Delhi.
oh like
Delhi, Kerala, Karnataka.
well known place I guess
Yes.
how you come here like I mean who contact this
Actually, the founder of One India Kite team is my dear friend, Mr. Abdullah Maliyakal.
oh
He's
the
the captain of Indian team.
Indian
Oh.
team. Yes.
captain of Indian team
Yeah.
kite
അത് പിന്നെ കൊടുക്കാം. ഇത് ഞാൻ introduce ചെയ്യാം.
yeah let's see yeah one India kite team oh
Yeah. So I'll just explain you what it is, this One India Kite team. We are actually a 7-member group.
7-member
So 3 from Gujarat and 4 from Kerala.
60 countries
60 countries participating in this international kite festival, and we represent India, as you know, and it's really nice. You know, you can see people from various countries sharing the friendship, sharing the bondage, and kite being the leisure sport. You can see people from 14 years till 70 to 80 years participating in this kite festival. And we were the best performers from India for the past 2 years. Yeah, so it adds a lot of value. Yes, absolutely. And Mr. Maliyakal, he is actually been in this kite team for the.
he's the leader right
He's the leader from
he's the
2000.
captain
Yes.
oh my
He is
god
the founder. He is the person who has brought in the idea of introducing the kite theme
Kite
to
to the-
India. Yes.
yeah traditionally
Yes.
a lot of Indian people
Absolutely,
love kite
absolutely.
like when I was a kid I used to fly kite. Like a small one but
Absolutely.
here I see a lot of bigger
See, you can see a lot of unorganic people flying kites in their
Yeah.
home and the beaches, but Abdullah Maliyakal has a different thought process towards it, conducting it into a big event and bringing people from all over the world and making it as a tourism. connecting it to the tourism and to the leisure.
What about organizing this kind of kite festival in India?
Yeah, there's a huge possibility. We had a kite festival in India last 2 months back in Ahmedabad, Gujarat being the host state, and a lot of foreign delegates, participants did participate in that.
Team India
Yeah.
from Kerala. India flag there.
Yeah.
We have India flag.
Yep. Do it fast. They're going to pick it up.
Okay. Let's start taking down.
要是里面有个人。
India की team this now. India की लोग देख रहे हैं. India के मजे ले रहे हैं. Team India represent over angle. Sini Spain gitu. Slayer Spain. Sai nga nalaman di loy udon. Pero loy fighter eh.
作为我们的护旗手，你不是多带了400学生来吗？行军翻倒4周。
Moi fireman की गाड़ी है Mercedes की ने Mercedes की फायर ब्रिगेड की गाड़ी